Today we're leaving Tanarata, we're leaving the Cameron Highlands, and we are heading back to Kuala Lumpur because we have a flight to our next country tomorrow. It occurred to us late yesterday that we didn't have anywhere to stay tonight, so we've done a bit of a rush job. We've found a hotel near the airport, £20 for the night, so this has the potential to go really very, very wrong. But if the hotel is good, and it is what it says it is, this will be quite a lot of fun. So I said this could go one of two ways. The room was £20 for the night. It could either be absolutely diabolical or it could be quite good fun. What do you think? Alan is shrugging.
I'm not sure yet.
In case you haven't guessed it, this entire budget hotel is plane themed. So we are currently stood inside airplane.
That's just ridiculous.
This is it. This is our room. We do have a TV. We do have aircon. We have a bed. We have some amenities provided for us. Portholes all the way around. It's an airport hotel, so there's no safe or wardrobes or anything. And then in here, there's a little shower, little wet room, little toilet. Towels are here, tea and coffee. What more do we need? Our room key, we've been given this really cute little boarding pass for. Very nice. The TV, no Netflix or YouTube unfortunately, but it does have an English speaking channel, which has been a pleasant change. So we've been provided with fresh drinking water, toothbrushes and toothpaste, nice clean towels. We've got a kettle, mugs. I can't tell you how many hotels we've been in and they give you a tiny little cup to drink from. It's really lovely to have a mug. We've even got some tissues. If you are Muslim, you've even got a prayer mat here, which I think is really thoughtful. There's a hairdryer. Now it does say we've got toilet paper. Yes, we've got toilet paper too. And then coming back round this way, on either side of the bed, we have got USB charger, shaver charger, electric socket. And then on the other side of the bed, another electric socket. So I've double checked our booking, and although the advert was £20 a night, we've actually been billed £30 a night. I think we've got a larger room or something. And even though we've been charged more, I'm not upset because local hotels were double the price. Airport hotels were really expensive, so this is okay. There's also a gym here. Alan's just gone off to check that out. We'll find out what that's like in a minute. You went to look at the gym?
I did.
And what was the gym like?
The gym is quite small. A few machines, a couple of running machines. It's got a toilet and a shower, aircon, I think. 3 weights.
How much is it to use?
I think it's free.
Cool. So that's available should you want it.
I think so, yeah. I might have a go later on.
Excellent. So outside of the hotel there is pretty much nothing. A couple of little mini marts, a couple of little local cafes. That's it. The hotel does offer shuttle service to all of these locations, including Tesco, but we can't go because we've got to go to the airport.